What have we got here? Oh, I think we might have found our non-participating door closing issue. Morning. Well, I haven't even had breakfast yet, but I think I may have mostly solved the problem with my sliding door. I've still got this hinge here. I've ordered one of those, and I should be able to pick that up in a couple of days, a second-hand one. But I noticed this morning, as you might have noticed, that the front hinge was loose, and that was allowing this part of the door to hang out a bit on certain angles, and that's just enough to keep it off alignment and stop it from closing. So I've tightened them up, and it's not perfect, but it does seem to close now. So I'll have breakfast, and then I might try parking on different angles just to confirm that. But the reason why we're here at the moment, tomorrow morning, 7:30, I'm booked in to get a clutch done on this, including the flywheel and slave cylinder. I think they may even be doing the master cylinder as well, so get that whole lot done and out of the way. Hopefully they can do it all within 8 hours. Otherwise I'll be sleeping under a tree in Wodonga there somewhere tonight or tomorrow night. But anyway, it was good to find that. Being a 20-year-old vehicle, the door's no doubt being slammed 100 million times. Things wear out, so always forget something. Almost forgot the most important part. It means it's a sewerage pond. Well, I've spent most of the day driving around Albury and Wodonga, just filling in time, going to the various parks and that sort of thing, trying to see if there was a good campsite to be had close to town, which there sort of isn't. Anywhere where there's parks, there's always no camping and all of that, and when you do find the really remote places, they're the ones that are going to be hit by the hoons at night. So I think what I'm going to do is I've just gone into Woolworths in their car park at the moment, got me ham and classic Caesar salad, do me for dinner, and I'll wait till dark and I'll basically go park out the front of where I'm getting the clutch done. There's a bit of car parking there and it's sort of in a dead end street, so it should be fairly quiet. I've got to hand the car over at 7:30 in the morning, so that's why we're sort of in close, so that I don't have to get up too early. And then I guess I'll spend the rest of the day as a homeless person wandering around until I get me van back. But anyway, it's van life for you. Morning. Well, camped here last night, just on the street outside of Wodonga Brake and Clutch. So just had breakfast, haven't had coffee yet, but it's still a bit early. I think I was supposed to drop it off at 7:30, but they opened up the doors at 6, so it's about 6:30 at the moment.